Today we're here at Skye Canyon and I just toured this beautiful 1742 square feet single story home priced in the mid 500,000s. Guys, do not go anywhere. Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is July 12th, 2025, and we are here at the grand opening of Mesa at Skyview by Century Communities here in Skye Canyon. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Skye Canyon, we're about 35 minutes northwest from the airport and the Strip. Skye Canyon is a beautiful master plan community here. You have access to a fitness center, you have access to a pool, you have walking trails close by, places to hike. Overall, great community here in Skye Canyon. So they offer 3 different floor plans here. All these homes range from about 1635 square feet all the way up to 1816 square feet. Now, the way Century does it here is they build spec homes. So spec homes is the builder chooses all the options in it. And by the time that you get in their contract, these homes are about 1 to 3 months away from completion, okay? So for the 1635 square feet, right now, as of July 12th, you're looking at about low 500. So they're gonna be about 510,000, okay? For the 1742, looks like they have 2 quick move-ins right now. Its price gonna be about 550 to 555, and the 1816 square feet plan, they have one that's 535 all the way up to about 570. Okay, a couple of things about the community, guys. HOA is $110 a quarter. The master plan is going to be $250 a quarter, and they do currently have a SID in place. Okay, so the SID is going to be the balance of the SID is $12,675. But it looks like you're going to be paying $422.50 every year. Okay, just do the math. Once the balance is completely paid for, you no longer have to pay for the SID. I'll actually post a quick video a short that I did of SID so you could better understand that. Now there's going to be 128 single story homes here, and the average lot square feet is going to be about 4,500. Okay, but yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the plan 1742. Now this is 1742 square feet. 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, and out the door, guys, you're looking at about mid 500,000, so about 550 to 555. Okay, now the paver driveway is included, desert landscaping is included as well. This is the 2-car garage, but as you can see, it is a sales office right now. So yeah, let's take a look. So we'll head to this entry door. You'll notice that it has an 8-foot door, and the ceilings are going to be 9-foot ceilings. Okay. All right. So this is what you see as soon as you walk in. Okay. Have this nice little hallway right here. Main living area right here. So it feels very open. And then you have your primary bedroom right in the corner over there. Well, yeah, let's start over here. Show you guys the guest bedrooms. So right here, this is going to be the first bedroom. Now, usually with this floor plan, it can be a 2-bedroom, but I think the builder, they're usually going to turn this into the, instead of a den, you'll have the 3rd bedroom right here. It's much easier to sell 3 bedrooms compared to 2. So I feel like the builders, that's what they're going to do. So you do have this walk-in closet. You also have a transfer grill up there, so that helps regulate the airflow. Okay. So you got the laundry room. The washer and dryer and refrigerator are not included. You know, guys, just see if you're interested, just connect with me. I'm pretty sure we could have that included in there for you. Okay, this is the other guest bedroom. Okay, we've got a full-size bed. All right, pretty decent sized closet right here. Okay, you do have that one window. Now, guys, if you are thinking about purchasing a new construction home and, you know, you're pretty tempted to visit a community for your very first time, you know, you just want to check it out, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. If you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. You definitely want representation when you walk in, guys. Now, if you walk in without it, the builder agent's going to ask you for your name, your phone number, and email. And once you provide that to them, they're going to mark you in their system as having no representation. Now, again, you definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interests and we look after your best interests. So there's definitely a huge difference in fiduciary relationship. So you got this nice living room here. Again, 9-foot ceilings. Beautiful kitchen. Okay, looks like you have the 42-inch cabinets. So I have a nice slider here. Now the community just opened, but I think for the spec homes that are going to be released here in the near future, I feel like a lot of them are going to have this aluma wood covered patio. Okay. Now, as you enter your backyard, when you move in, everything is going to be dirt back here except for the pavers under your covered patio. And then the HOA will give you about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. All right. Okay, so we got your side gate right over here. And just in case if you're wondering, this wall is not going to be this low, okay? It's going to be here, but they usually do that for model homes just so you could see the other backyard pretty easily. Okay, you have your you're gonna have your gas line here so you can set up your barbecue, and you have your water spigot. Okay, let's take a look at this this kitchen. Again, you're gonna have 42-inch cabinets. All right, they're gonna rotate between when they build their spec homes between a few different color cabinets. One thing that you could expect with Century though is you're gonna have this pretty thick countertop. So Century does that with a lot of their homes. I would expect to see the same Whirlpool dishwasher here, as well as a stainless steel undermount sink. Pretty sure they're gonna build a lot of homes with that. Okay, you got your nice tile backsplash. Okay, also you have your thermostat right here. You're gonna have a linen closet. Most likely you won't have this type of door. It's just gonna be your regular door. Okay, so welcome to your primary bedroom. Right, so you have 2 windows here. This is going to be a king size bed. All right, so you got your toilet room. You have his and her sink. So you have your walk-in shower right in the middle. Okay, nice tile surround. And then you have your walk-in closet. Yeah, that wraps it up for the Plan 1742. Let me know what you guys think. Again, any questions, curious to know what the incentives are, just give me a call, shoot me a text. But thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the next one.